Camp Motorsport is the coolest camp on wheels. There isn't another camp like it in the country. There is another camp that has the same level of facilities and instructors as we do. A few minutes on a race course is absolutely exhilarating. It's really living life very full.
It makes you focus on what you're doing, and you can't think about anything else when you're out on the track. Feeling the car and feeling it move around and trying to get the best from the car, but also the best from yourself.
It's not just learning how to drive go-karts, but it's the overall camp experience that we're striving for. Communication skills, collaborative skills, critical thinking skills, creative skills. We do those things all the time in everything we do, and we do it in a very fun and engaging way. Kids can not only learn to drive go-karts and off-road buggies safely, but they learn about the science and the engineering behind that.
You first have to teach the science behind why a car reacts and acts the way it does, which is really all about you and your inputs. If it's oversteering, if the back is sliding wide, this is how you correct that. You talk about how you brake, when you brake. You talk about how you turn in for the corner. You talk about where on the track you physically need to be. You talk about the apex and how you track out, and also how the corners relate to each other and how the relationship between exiting one corner to entering another corner is different depending on what's before or after that corner. Winning the race is not the be-all, end-all of what we're doing here. It's fun to be competitive with your friends, and that's great, but it can't be at the expense of safety. Once the kids have the basic skills that we've taught them about car control and safety, they can go out there and be competitive with their friends and have a lot of fun. That's not the be-all, end-all of why we're here.
Driving a go-kart teaches you all of these skills, and it also goes to your motor skills in order to do that. So you develop all these skills that you can accomplish doing something that's very fun. It's their ability to look at an environment, to evaluate their situation, and to come up with practical applications to deal with that environment. How to take a skill that may seem daunting in the beginning, but break it down to the small steps, the baby steps, and once you put all those baby steps together, you can do the big skills.
If you are a kid that loves cars, loves motorsport, you gotta come.